One area we should all guard is the independence of the judiciary. Ladies and gentlemen, the challenges we are facing today about independence and impartiality of the judiciary is an old hat. These ones were delivered in a judgment at a time when judicial courage was and decisional independence were rare. Justice Mandan set a high standard which we can achieve first as Kenyans and secondly as judges, judicial officers, cadis and members of tribunals. Judicial independence is anchored and ring-fenced in the Constitution. It behoves on every judge, every judicial officer to decline any invitation to rule on any case based on bias or ill will. Brother and sister judges and judicial officers, cadis, let us stick to the rule of law. Let us do that which the Constitution, the law, and our oath of office tells us to do. People who are trying to capture the judiciary. This continues to be an active threat to the independence of the judiciary. The oath of office that I took so as to qualify to assume the office of the Chief Justice is not different from that which was taken by all of us, judges, magistrates, cadis, and members of the tribunals, reminding us we have to be impartial, we have to be independent, we have to be fair. Power to protect the Constitution vests to us, to render service with integrity and competency, among other things. These words should never depart our hearts, and the fact that the power to exercise that authority is donated to us by the people of Kenya. We should strive to be fair and expeditious in our work. We are servants of the people.